Hey everyone, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Today we are diving into the heart of Bihar with a dish that's beloved across the region, Bihari Ghugani. This hearty and flavorful curry is not only delicious but also steeped in cultural heritage. Join me as we explore the rich spices, textures, and history behind this iconic dish. Let's get cooking.
तो आप थोड़ा अपनी डिश के बारे में बताइए। ये बिहारी घुगनी है, काला चना का बना हुआ, ब्लैक चिकपीस। और ये हमारे बिहार में लोग बहुत ही टेस्ट लेके खाते हैं शाम के समय, भूजे के साथ, ममरे के साथ, या फिर रोटी और चावल के साथ भी खा सकते हैं इसे। मुझे मेरा ये वन ऑफ द फेवरेट आइटम है। बहुत
First of all, slice the onions, chop the garlic, and chop the green chilies. Now in the soaked chana, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 4 to 5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Add all the onions, garlic and green chili. Mix it well and set it aside to marinate it for about half an hour. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and add about 1 cup of water in it. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. And saute it for a few minutes.
थोड़ा ऑनियन डाल
Once all the water disappears from the curry, add the hot water, about 1 cup, into it and cook it again.
Oh wow! Look at the rogan.
And here is your Bihari Ghugani is ready to serve. You can either eat it with roti, rice, or puffed rice.